Hello, everyone. Today to teach you to upgrade Mazda 3 Axela. This car's original car screen function is very little. We are ready to upgrade it to the Android system. This is what we look like after the upgrade. The screen has become larger and rich in features. Support various CarPlay, Android Auto. You can use voice assistant, make phone calls, listen to music, use online maps, and more. So you want to know how to upgrade? Please follow the video. Ready to start disassembly? Let's talk about the steps first. First open the air outlet, and then remove the original car screen. To begin disassembly, we use plastic tools to pry. Open the air outlet panel. We pry from the right to the left. Loosen the inside buckle, and then the air outlet panel can be easily taken out. After taking it out and looking at it, there is only a white plug on the back. We press the button on the plug to pull it out. After removing the air outlet, we can see that the original car screen frame only has one screw fixed. We can remove it on the line. Be careful not to drop the screws when they come out. Then we pull the screen out in front of us with both hands. Also, unplug all the back of it. We hold down the pin on the plug and push it down, then pull it out. After taking it off, we observed that it had 5 white clasps, and we removed them all.
Connect according to the wiring method shown in the figure. Regional vehicle system display. Set protocol. Set resolution. Knob button demonstration. Bluetooth connection demonstration. Make a phone call to demonstrate. Support making Bluetooth calls. Navigation function demonstration. Music player. Video player. Support DSP. Radio function display. Navigation demonstration. Bluetooth music display. Reverse image display.